Welcome and Namaste. In this video, I will provide you short description of common solid, volume, total surface area and curved surface area of cylinder plus cone, hemisphere plus cone, cone plus cone and two sides cone plus cylinder. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sano Babu Thapa Magar. Also, you can follow me on Facebook page Sano Babu Thapa Magar, which is in capital letter. Now, start today's video. Compound solid, cylinder plus cone. Here, this is cylinder and here is another part, cone. Here is top part is cone. Now, volume of the cone equals to 1/3 pi r square as to suppose this one is S2 and this one is S1. Similarly, volume of cylinder equals to pi r square S1 and total volume equals to, suppose this one is V1 and this one is V2, that is total volume of the cylinder plus cone equals to V1 plus V2. This is case of the volume. Now CSA. Now CSA of the combined solid or cylinder plus cone is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Now CSA of cylinder equals to 2 pi r as 2 pi r as 1 because here is S1. This is height of cylinder plus CSA of cone, that is pi r L. L means slant height. This is L. Again TSA. TSA, this is base area, this is cylinder and this is cone, and this is circle which is overlapping by cone. So we need to add this part and this one part to find TSA, that is base area pi r square. Pi r square means area of the base plus curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r S1 plus curved surface of cone, that is pi r L. This is circular part, this is cylindrical part and this is conical part. Now, two-side cylinder plus cone. This is two-side cone. This is cone and this one is cylinder. Two-side cone plus cylinder. Okay. Suppose this is cylinder and this one is one cone, and here two-side cone means this is another cone, and this one is this is curved surface area of cone. Sorry, this is curved surface area of cylinder. This is conical part and this is conical part. Now volume equals to, suppose this is V1, this is V2 and this is V3. Now volume of the cone or volume of the top part, volume of this part, that is one by 3 pi r square, 1 by 3 pi r square, 1 by 3 pi r square S1. Suppose this is S1, this is S1, this is S2 and this one is S3 plus and V2. V2 is cylinder, so volume of the cylinder is volume of the cylinder, that is volume of the cylinder pi r square S2 and this one is 1 by 3 pi r square S3. Now volume V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is volume of the combined solid. Volume of the combined solid. And CSA. CSA, that is curved surface area of the two cone plus one cylinder, that is pi RL plus curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r S2 plus pi r L2. This is 1. Suppose this part is L1 and this is L2. And TSA. TSA, that is curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of the cylinder, and curved surface area of the cone. This is total surface area. Now find CSA of cone, that is pi r L1 plus 2 pi r S2 plus pi r L2. Now another hemisphere plus cone. Suppose this is hemisphere and this is cone. Now this one is height, this one is slant height, and this one is R. This one is R. Now V1, volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and V2 equals to, V2 means volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So V equals to V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. Now CSA. CSA, that is curved surface area of the semisphere or hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone, that is 2 pi r square plus pi rl, that is CSA of hemisphere plus cone. Now TSA. Here This one is hemisphere and this one is cone. Here cone is overlapping with hemisphere. So TSA equals to CSA. This is TSA equal to CSA. We can use same formula to find the TSA and CSA in this case. Now cone plus cone. This is cone. This is another cone. This is radius. This is real height. And this is also real height. Suppose this is R. Slant height L. This one is slant height L. Suppose this is L2 and this is L1. Now this one is S1, this one is S2. We can use volume equals to 1/3 pi r square H1 plus 1/3 pi r square H1. And CSA, core surface area of this cone and core surface area of this cone. This is pi r L1 plus pi r L2. Here is also equal to CSA and TSA with each other. Now some example. Here is given condition. Now height of the every cone H equals to 20/2 equals to 10 cm. Volume V equals to what? Now using formula of volume. Now substitute value of all contents and calculate. Hence volume equals to 2 into V1. That is 188.57 cm cube. Now another example. Solution. Given condition. Area covered by 150% equals to area of a base. For radius, R equals to area of base equals to R square. Now calculate. Here is R square equals to 2100/22. Area of the breadth for 1% 20 meter cube. Air to breadth for 150% equals to 150 into 20 meter cube, that is 3000 meter cube. Now volume of the cone equals to 1/3 pi r square H. Now substitute all contents and calculate. We got H equals to 15. Another example. This is questions. Now solution. This is given condition. For radius using Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB. This is triangle AOB because here is 90 degree. And substitute value of contents. We got B square equals to 64, that is 8 cm meter. So radius equals to 8 cm. First case, volume of the solid equals to volume of the cone plus volume of the cylinder. Use formula and calculate. We got 3115.99 cm cube. Second case, core surface area of the solid equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Now use formula and substitute values. We got 754.85 cm square. Third case, total surface area equals to area base plus CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Now use formula and substitute values. We got 1056 cm square. Now another question. This is combined figure of the hemisphere and cone. This is given condition by Pythagorean theorem. H square is equals to p square plus b square. Now use formula and substitute all values. So 144 equals to p square, that is p equals to 12 cm. Now first case, volume of the solid equals to volume of the cone plus volume of semi-sphere or hemisphere. Now use formula and substitute value of all constants. We got 576.20 cm cube. Second case, curved surface area. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Substitute value of all constants and calculate. We got 361.37 cm square. Third case, total surface area of the solid TSA equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of semi-sphere. Now use formula and substitute value of all constants. We got 361.37 cm square. Now questions for practice. These are the questions for brainstorming. These are very important questions for C examination. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, please mail me in the given Gmail address.